Atlanta continues to rise as a powerhouse in sneaker culture, and Jordan Brand is putting the city front and center with the upcoming Air Jordan 11 285, dropping November 22, 2025. Part of a massive lineup celebrating the AJ11's 30th anniversary, this ATL-exclusive pair highlights the city's vibrant identity, inspired by Interstate 285 and the art-filled streets surrounding it. Premium white tumbled leather, debossed detailing, and a unique tie-dye sockliner in pink, green, and navy connect the design to Atlanta's iconic murals and energy. As one of only 3 U.S. city-themed AJ11 releases, alongside Las Vegas and Houston, the 285 stands out with storytelling and everyday wearability. Expect a $250 retail price and limited in-store North America availability. Sneaker fans, collectors, and ATL loyalists will want this Jordan 11 on their radar as one of the most anticipated holiday 2025 drops.